So if Toyota wants to get some sales from the enthusiast market, we honestly expect that they will introduce this 2.4-liter turbo engine to spice things up a little bit. The 2.5-liter might be good for fuel economy, but it is definitely not fun. And having fun with a 2.5-liter engine that is currently used is not something that is possible. This engine is the 2.4-liter turbo, which is an engine with a lot of low-end torque. This engine in the Tacoma develops around 217 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque, which is something that many people want in the RAV4.